Welcome to Outback Steakhouse. I mean, let's have a recap.
Oh, cranky, what's that? Look at that! Check that out there! Oh, cranky! I think I might eat some psychedelic berries.
It's cozy.
Hey! Get the hell off my property!
Gonna eat me some puppy here. Somebody's gonna be missing a dog, but you know what? Fuck them.
Is that my dog?
Alright. I'm trying to get some sleep. And some effing mountain tigers are screwing around my camp. Just walking up. I think these mountain tigers are homosexuals. If female approaches. Looks like they swing both ways. I would go out there and foodball some mountain tigers. They are endangered species.
I don't want to go out there and whoop their ass.
Gonna have to wait it out. Oh no, it's a mountain tiger orgy.
Oh my god.
I would rip off all their heads. But those pussies at PETA would throw a fit. They're gangbanging the female now. My world is shattered.
I hate to resort to this, but... What the hell is that? Here, never mind. Bottoms up, mate. Tasty. Maybe not. Crikey! Oh, I feel it coming. Oh god, I shouldn't have ate that. Oh god, I'm pissing out my ass. Oh god. Oh, I shouldn't have drank that dirty creek water. Oh boy. Oh, crikey. Oh god, someone say a prayer. Oh god, my ass is already burning. Oh god. Crikey. Oh.
Scaling a treacherous cliff. Alright, woo! Surf's up, Cowabunga, mate.
Look at those moves.
In Australia, we love surfing. I'm an awesome surfer. Got a dead body in here. Yeah, alright. It's a place where you can put a dead body. You smell prey. Deers are knowing to be dumb. I really hate deer. I'm a master of disguise.
I can sneak up on some prey.
Male deers grow sticks out of their heads. Gonna use the walking bush to trick my prey. I'm having a little trouble here.
What are you doing?
Seems like they would have been over here.
Oh, maybe not.
I'll pick up the scent over here. You ain't as dumb as I thought. Led me into a trap.
Alright, maybe not go that way. Snap.
Macho. Brave. Dashing. Strong.
Oh, God, I can't say no! I'm right.
I'm like a predator.
Can you do it on this little stick? Alright, got this rope from my butt side so I can climb down safely. It's always good to have some rope on you. Now it's Elvin Rope. You remember from Lord of the Rings. The Elvin Rope's magical, so it's untied. Alright, here we go. Come on. Get here.
My favorite character's Aragorn.
Come on! You son of a bitch! Alright, come on! I think this guy's kind of jitney. Had a Lord of the Rings package and everything. Words of water. Fuck that rope. You're not gonna know which direction I'm going. Do you? That? Anyone's trying to track me. They got a bit of mess to follow.
Well, hello, hello. Dingo, bingo. Naughty native girl. Looks like it's been a hard day's night. It's about to get harder.
Yeah, boy.
Oh, it was so hard I could poke a hole through that brick wall.
Bless me heart.
Me loins all bubbling. Gonna put the lotion on the skin later. Dingo bingo.
Oh, God, boy. Let's get out of here.
The producer's called and said things are getting out of control. So we gotta bust out of here before the 5-0 comes. Before I can do any more harm. Alright folks, that wraps it up. Till next time, stay dangerous. Now piss off!
Oh, Cranky, what's that? Look at that! Get back there! Oh, Cranky!
Say your prayers.